What if I told you that your job could vanish into thin air in the next freaking 5 years? All thanks to AI. Sounds like some damn Hollywood movie, right? But hold on to your hats because this shit is actually going down, and it's spreading faster than a wildfire in a dry forest. Artificial intelligence ain't just some fancy technology for creating art or writing poems anymore. Nope, it's out here snatching real jobs from hardworking folks who busted their asses to get where they are. Customer support agents, content writers, graphic designers, translators. Hell, even programmers are on the chopping block. I mean, check this out. In Europe alone, a quarter of all damn jobs are on the verge of being automated by the year 2030. And that ain't just some wild guess. It's backed up by serious research from big shots like PwC and the OECD. We used to think AI would only replace factory workers or do boring, repetitive tasks. But now, it's creeping into offices, agencies, and creative spaces like a sneaky ninja. AI is out here writing business reports, drafting legal documents, designing ads, and editing videos. It's like a damn Swiss Army knife on steroids. Let's break it down with some jaw-dropping examples. A company in the UK said goodbye to 90% of its customer service team and welcomed in an AI chatbot. A marketing agency in Germany slashed their production costs by a whopping 60% by switching to AI tools for copywriting and design. Freelancers on platforms like Upwork are losing gigs faster than a melting ice cream cone in the sun to clients using ChatGPT and Midjourney. And this ain't just a European thing. This AI takeover is happening worldwide. But hey, no need to start panicking just yet, because there's a twist in this tale. Here's the kicker. AI ain't just taking jobs. It's also birthing brand spanking new industries. We're talking about careers that didn't even exist 5 years ago. Prompt engineering, AI content supervision, chatbot training, synthetic media creation, data annotation, ethical AI consulting. The list goes on. And guess what? The demand for these new jobs is skyrocketing. Companies are throwing around fat stacks of cash, offering salaries north of $200,000 for skilled AI prompt engineers. Remote job boards are overflowing with opportunities for those who know how to harness and refine AI's power. So the real question ain't, will AI snatch my job away? Nah, it's more like, am I ready to adapt and thrive, or am I going to get left in the dust? Because those who ride the AI wave instead of fighting it, they're the ones who are going to come out on top. Want to stay ahead of the curve? Start honing your prompt writing skills. Dive into tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, 11 Labs, Runway ML, and more. Use them to turbocharge your creativity, efficiency, and output. AI ain't the enemy, folks. It's a damn game changer, like Google on steroids. It's reshaping how we work, and those who embrace it early, they're the ones who are going to crush it. The future of work ain't lurking around the corner. It's already here. So save this video, rewatch it if you need a kick in the ass, and stay tuned for more AI tools that'll keep you light years ahead of the competition.